Now we will study the modern technology regarding reproduction, especially for couples who are not able to have children due to various reasons. Like in the females, there may be irregularity in the menstruation cycle, or maybe the oocyte is not produced in time or properly, or there may be problems with the uterus. Likewise, in the males, there may be absence of sperms or slow movement of sperms or some anomalies, some faults with the sperms. So in such cases, now modern technology is there. Now you've heard of here in your book, now three methods are given. You can see here: in vitro fertilization, that is IVF. Then you have surrogacy and you have the sperm bank. So three methods are there in your book. So IVF, common name, as you know, test tube baby. All of you must be knowing about it. So what is done is that fertilization is brought about outside the body. That is the semen, that is the sperms are collected from the male, that is the father. The oocytes are collected from the mother, and only they are fertilized outside in the test tube. And then the zygote that is formed is implanted in the same mother's uterus, and then the development continues. About surrogacy. Surrogacy, in this, the mother has some problem with the uterus. So the embryo fertilization does take place, the embryo is formed, but it does not develop in the uterus. So what is done is the sperms are taken from the father, the oocytes are taken from the mother, then uh, these are fertilized outside, and the zygote that is formed, it is implanted in the uterus, but of another woman whose uterus does not have any problems. So this woman is not actually the mother. The oocytes do not belong to her. The oocytes are taken from the mother and the sperms from the father. Only the embryo that is formed, the zygote that is formed, is implanted in the uterus. So only the uterus is used of the other woman, and this woman is called as the surrogate mother. Now about the third method, that is the sperm bank. There are some problems in the father who cannot produce the sperms, or there is some problem relating to them. So like the blood bank, the semen is donated by many men, and it is collected and preserved. And the oocyte is taken from the mother, and outside the body it is fertilized with the help of the sperms taken from this sperm bank, semen bank or sperm bank. However, the name of the donor is strictly kept secret. So, and that zygote that is formed, it is implanted in the same mother herself.